In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT scheduled tasks. Whether you're new to this or looking to refresh your memory, this guide will walk you through every step, ensuring you get the most out of ChatGPT's scheduling features. Let's dive right in by opening up your web browser. Now, start by heading over to Google, one of the most reliable search engines out there. Once you've got Google open, click on the search bar and type in ChatGPT. You'll see a myriad of results, but don't worry. What we're looking for is the official ChatGPT website, so go ahead and click on it. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, it's time to engage with the AI by typing in a prompt. For those asking, a prompt is simply a question or a statement you want ChatGPT to respond to. It's the starting point of your conversation and can be as creative or straightforward as you like. Once you've crafted your prompt, look for the Submit button on the interface. This button is your gateway to initiating a chat, so give it a click. After you submit your prompt, ChatGPT will process your input and provide a response. Now, if the task involves scheduling, you'll be prompted to type in the specific schedule or timing details. It's a straightforward process where clarity is key, so be specific about days, times, and any recurring patterns you want the task to follow. When your input is ready and reviewed, hit Submit once more, and there you have it. Your task is now set on a schedule. This can be incredibly useful for managing repetitive tasks, reminders, or even running scripts at a designated time. Remember, the beauty of ChatGPT is in its adaptability, so you can tweak these tasks as needed to better suit your workflow. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that if you ever need to modify a scheduled task, the process is simple. Just locate the task within your chat history, adjust your instructions as necessary, and click Submit to update. This flexibility ensures you're always in control and can adapt as your needs change. Keep in mind, ChatGPT is continually evolving with new features and updates, so check back often to discover new ways to enhance productivity. If you ever encounter issues, reach out to their support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides.